ConfigPro is a powerful wireless commissioning tool designed for the Quinetic range of kinetic switches and controllers. It makes installing and configuring switches, dimmers, relay modules, and roller shutter controllers quicker, easier, and completely cable-free. And because ConfigPro can configure or adjust products that are already installed, updates and changes can be made quickly on site without removing fittings, accessing hard-to-reach modules, or disrupting the finished installation, saving time, labor, and unnecessary callbacks. Designed for electricians, installers, and contractors, ConfigPro removes the hassle of awkward button presses and time-consuming manual pairings. Using the free Quinetic ConfigPro smartphone app, you can configure, customize, and control devices directly from your phone, even in network-free environments such as new builds or commercial fit-outs. Quinetic ConfigPro bridges your smartphone's Bluetooth with RF433 MHz devices, enabling fast wireless configuration without accessing or pressing any buttons on the devices, giving you total control without the need for an internet connection. With ConfigPro and the Quinetic ConfigPro free app, you can pair and unpair Quinetic switches in standard, directional, and momentary mode. Set up on and off dimming and roller shutter controls. Create and store lighting scenes. Adjust power on behavior. Activate bridge mode. Set delayed shutoffs. Choose the load type connected to the controller. Adjust network settings when using Wi-Fi enabled controllers. Adjust dimming mode for trailing or leading edge. Monitor signal strength and save and export entire projects. Inside the box, you'll find the compact and portable ConfigPro tool with a rechargeable 400 mAh battery and USB-C charging. Download the Quinetic ConfigPro app from the App Store or Google Play. Create your account and ensure Bluetooth is enabled before launching. Once the tool is powered up, the app will automatically detect it. A red LED turns off when a connection is successful. At this point, you're ready to detect and configure the controllers in your installation. Please remember, unpaired Quinetic controllers can be searched for within 10 minutes after power-up, and controllers that are already paired can be searched for and discovered within 2 minutes. If you miss this window, you'll have to cut the power to the controllers and repeat the process. Also, if the amount of controllers in your installation is significantly high, our recommendation is to set them up in groups. So how does this work with other Quinetic products? Let's look at a few examples. The QUR323 gives you 2 independently controlled circuits in one compact controller. With ConfigPro, you can pair switches to channel 1, channel 2, or both. Independently assign on and off logic for each channel. Set different delays, power on states, and bridge mode settings per channel. Use scene control to activate both channels with a single switch. View device ID, channel config, and signal strength for both channels individually. The QURS1W is a compact inline switch controller that needs only a live wire. When used with ConfigPro, you can wirelessly pair one or more Quinetic switches to control the relay, no physical press required. Configure on and off control logic remotely via the app. Reset or unpair switches directly from the app, which is particularly useful when adding, changing, or relocating switches. And view real-time switching status and perform live test toggles for commissioning. The QUPEN62 pendant is a stylish dual-controlled fixture, and with ConfigPro you can pair and unpair Quinetic switches without needing to touch the fitting. Enable or disable dimming, perfect for syncing with a Quinetic dimmer switch. Set the initial light level or power on state. And combine RF setup via ConfigPro with cloud routines, timers, and voice control in the Quinetic app. In advanced settings, you can set power on status to stay off, stay on, or resume last state when the power is restored after an outage. Enable bridge mode to extend signal range. Apply delayed shutdown for corridors or stairways. Adjust dimming mode and select leading or trailing edge phase tuning, and control dimming range for LED compatibility. Real-time signal strength monitoring. Use signal strength monitoring to test and optimize switch placement, ensuring reliable wireless performance across your site. Another major advantage is that once configured, you can save the entire project, including all devices, settings, and IDs, which makes it ideal for future maintenance or expanding the system. Whether you're installing in homes, hotels, hospitals, or large commercial sites, ConfigPro helps reduce install time, increases accuracy, and delivers smarter, centralized lighting control for you and your client. Make every install faster and smarter with Quinetic ConfigPro.